Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and here on the right upper corner you can see the edit icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here we got the up section and down section. This up section means that here you can see all your visible just now visible icons on your notification panel, and these icons on from this down section you can add to your notification panel. And just to do that, for example, to add the screen recorder to your top bar, just hold for a while this icon and drag it here to this up section. And by the same way, for example, we can add the hotspot icon and, for example, the dark mode. And as can you see, that's really simple. And now just to save, tap here to done, and as can you see here we got these three new icons on our notification panel. And just for example, to remove one from this icon, by the same way, just hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this down section, and just then tap to done, and as can you see, that's really simple. Also, if you want, sure, you can just change the positions of the icons. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. If you want to just for example, get the first airplane mode icon, just hold for a while and drag it here to this first position, and then just tap to done to confirm the changes. So that's how it looks, and thank you guys for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.